Want to master performance metrics and drive success in your service organization? Whether you're managing professional services, mass services, or service factories, KPIs such as quality assurance, time tracking and billing systems, continuous professional development, project management. For professional services, metrics like client retention rates, project completion times, and client satisfaction scores define your success. Tailor your KPIs to align with expertise and service delivery goals. Mass services thrive on throughput and customer satisfaction. Queue management systems, SOPs, and feedback tools streamline service delivery and boost satisfaction levels. Professional growth fuels organizational success. A structured CPD plan ensures your team stays sharp and competitive. SLAs are the backbone of client trust. Define clear agreements, ensure compliance, and revisit them regularly for improvement. Tech integration transforms service delivery from time tracking to CRM and project management tools. Choose platforms that meet your unique needs. Consistent quality and risk mitigation set you apart. Use peer reviews, compliance checks, and risk assessments to stay ahead. Remember, the key to service excellence lies in your metrics, tools, and commitment to improvement. Empower your organization to deliver consistent, high-quality services.